Welcome to a quick guide on unmuting a chat in WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever struggled to find where your muted conversations live, this walkthrough will have you unmuting in seconds. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer and sign in if you haven't already. Your chats will appear in the left-hand column, organized by recent activity. Take a moment to scan the list since the chat you muted could be anywhere from a busy group to a personal thread. Once you spot the chat you want to unmute, give it a right click. A compact context menu will pop up right beside the chat. This menu is your shortcut to many chat options, including notifications. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click or a long press will bring up the same menu, so you've got flexible ways to access it. In the context menu, look for the option that says unmute. It's the direct path back to normal notifications. Click unmute and you'll immediately resume receiving alerts for that chat as soon as new messages arrive. If you don't see unmute right away, try hovering over the chat a moment longer or ensuring you click the chat line itself rather than inside the preview area. Sometimes the menu anchors slightly differently depending on your browser. After you select unmute, the chat returns to its standard notification behavior. You'll see new messages pop up in real time and the chat will no longer stay muted in your list. If you want to check that it's unmuted, you can hover over the chat again and verify that the muted badge has disappeared or that the notification status indicates active alerts. A quick tip: if you're muting chats to reduce distractions, you can also customize how you're notified for individual chats. Consider setting quiet hours or overall notification priorities in WhatsApp web settings to tailor alerts to your workflow, especially if you manage multiple conversations across devices. That's all there is to unmuting a chat on WhatsApp web with the newest update. Fast, simple, and back to keeping you in the loop without missing important messages. If you got any questions or run into a hiccup, drop a comment and I'll help you troubleshoot.